Hi, welcome to TTW channel. I am Jones.
I am Jen.
More monkeypox cases are being detected in United Kingdom. On a daily basis, a senior doctor has warned, amid reports that a toddler has been admitted to health problem with the sickness. Dr. Susan Hopkins, a chief medical authority to the United Kingdom Health Security Agency, UKHSA, same associate update on confirmed cases would be discharged on Monday as efforts still contain the eruption mistreatment contact tracing, testing and vaccination. The number of confirmed cases within the United Kingdom rose to 20 on Friday and is anticipated to climb considerably within the weeks ahead as a lot of folks are derived and others step up for testing. Public health officers are still operating to spot the supply of the eruption as several of the patients haven't any known links to different cases. Monkeypox could be a gentle malady in the general public and resolves while not treatment in 2 to 4 weeks. However, it is a lot of dangerous and vulnerable folks, like those with weakened immune systems, pregnant girls and young kids. The UK cases embody a toddler. WHO is being treated in intensive care during a London hospital. The UKHSA saying it failed to ensure or discuss info at patient level. The agency confirmed the primary case of monkeypox on 7 3 days once a traveler with symptoms came to London from Nigeria, a rustic that has had an oversized variety of cases since 2017. Sexual health clinics have since reportable a flurry of cases among men. WHO have a go at it with men, a number of whom developed symptoms weeks earlier. More than 180 confirmed or suspected cases are being investigated in a minimum of 14 countries. Over 0.5 are in European country and European country. We square measure detection a lot of cases on each day, and I'd wish to impart all of these people that square measure coming back forward for testing to sexual health clinics, to the GPs and emergency department, Dr. Hopkins told BBC One Sunday morning. Asked if the virus was spreading within the community within the United Kingdom, she said, absolutely. We have a tendency to square measure finding cases that haven't any known contact with a private from West Africa. That is what we've seen antecedently during this country. Monkeypox was first discovered in monkeys used for analysis in 1958. However, the natural reservoir for the malady is believed to be rodents. The virus is endemic in elements of West and African country. Till this year, solely 7 cases had been detected within the United Kingdom, in 2018, 2019 and 2021, and every one were joined with Visit Nigeria. The community transmission is essentially centered in urban areas and that we are preponderantly seeing it in people WHO self-identify as gay or bisexual, or different men. WHO have a go at it with men, Hopkins saying. Asked why cases were principally their in-group, she said, that's attributable to the frequent shut contacts they will have. We would suggest to anyone who's having changes in sex partners often, or having shut contact with people that they don't recognize, to return forward if they develop a rash, she more. Monkeypox is an extremely communicable disease and most cases in rural Africa are believed to arise once folks acquire contact with infected animals. However, the malady will unfold from person to person through shut contact with ulcers and blisters, which regularly seam round the mouth and genitals, metastasis droplets, and contaminated materials like bedding, towels and cookery utensils. The period is as long as 21 days. That means symptoms will take 3 weeks to look once exposure to the virus. However, within the latest eruption, several patients are developing a rash among days. Patients will develop a fever before different symptoms return on. To help contain the unfold of the virus, risky contacts of confirmed cases, as well as some tending staff, are given shots of a variola major vaccine, Imvanex, which may shield against monkeypox. Where mistreatment it in people WHO we have a tendency to believe are at high risk of developing symptoms and mistreatment it early, notably among 4 or 5 days of the case developing symptoms, Hopkins saying. What are the treatments for monkeypox disease? In the present times, there's no treatment accessible for monkeypox. The nice thing is that monkeypox is in itself a self-limiting sickness. That is, it gets higher with time while not the necessity of any treatment or medicines. However, bound vaccines are accustomed management the unfold of the sickness among the population. Since monkeypox and variola are therefore just like one another, therefore, presently the vaccines for variola, vaccinia vaccine, are accustomed. Management the transmission of monkeypox. In step with analysis, folks that have already been unsusceptible with variola area unit relatively less at risk of monkeypox. Different ways that facilitate management the sickness embody vaccinia human gamma globulin, VIG, and antiviral medications, used usually just in case of animals and not humans. Recently a vaccine has been approved in 2019 that's legendary to safeguard against each variola and monkeypox. However, the vaccine remains not accessible to the plenty. The variola vaccine that has protection against monkeypox in addition has created exploitation the actuating agent of animal disease, that is, poxvirus. Of these three viruses belong to a similar family, poxvirus, an area unit therefore terribly just like one another thanks to that one vaccine will offer protection against these viruses. Monkeypox could be a cow disease and doesn't infect humans, therefore, it's safe to use this virus in humans. Variola is that the first vaccine to be developed and it absolutely was the concept of doctor to use the animal disease virus against variola in 1796. Idea behind the vaccine monkeypox vaccine the variola vaccine was fancied by doctor by an easy observation. He ascertained that the women of his region UN agency milked cows failed to develop the variola infection, once the virus unfold across a people country. This created him suppose that there may well be some infection within the cow that may get transferred to the ladies through the blisters on the udders of the cows throughout milking. Thus, with this observation, he injected the fluid obtained from the blisters of cows into the folks of his region. This can be however the primary vaccine was developed in 1796. The Globe Health Organization, WHO, declared variola as an eradicated sickness in 1980. According to the Globe Health Organization, WHO, the effectiveness of the variola vaccine to manage the transmission of monkeypox is around 85th.